In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up my super intersection or super junction, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you have the prerequisite mods, big US roads, that one interstate mod I can't remember the name of, but it's all on the Steam page. I also have some screenshots on the Steam page to show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, let's get to it. Enough talking. Alright. First thing you want to do is remove the excess traffic lights. Next, you want to set up the correct turn lanes. We don't want any right turns because everything is already set up. The idea is to force cars that need to turn right to use the off-ramps instead of clogging the intersection. Okay. Next, we want to use the intersection marking tool. It's part of Node Controller Renewal. I have presets set up to add these marking lines. This, which is not here, and then these solid lines. So this is what I call the off-ramps, where this node connects both the off-ramps. And all you have to do is turn it until they match, like that. Then I have the intersection line. This just marks the do not change lane lines at the left turn only lanes. Next, I have a preset for the intersection itself. These set the guidelines for the left turns. It looks like it's already set up properly. Looks like it doesn't matter which direction you go, it's always going to be set up properly. And you just do that for the rest of them. Green is up. I think red is down on this one. Oh, red is up. Dyslexia for the win. Green is up on this one. Leave a comment down below if you would like me to create these presets as an asset that you can download on Steam. I might do that anyway. Alright, so what did all of this add? So the off-ramp lines I added, the dotted line here, I added the crosswalk here, I added the do not cross lines, yellow lines, or rather end of lane, I think they're called, edge of lane. I can't remember, it's been a long time. I added these lines here. The intersection node, we added just these lines here. And last thing I forgot to do was set right turn only and these off ramps. Otherwise, cars will go backwards, turn left, do all kinds of crazy, weird U-turns. But that will not stop emergency vehicles. They will do whatever turn that they believe they need to do. And that's basically it. Leave a comment down below if you need help setting up the Node Controller Renewal lines, or you would like me to upload that as an asset on Steam. That's it. That's not it. I forgot some optimizations you'll need since there are nodes in the middle of the road. So what we can do is go to junction restrictions. Oh, right there. It's always the one I never check. You'll need to set junction restrictions to prevent unwanted traffic problems. You don't want U-turns because we have a solid double yellow line. We do allow the cars to go through the junction, otherwise they'll stop here and then not actually pull up to the line. We can allow U-turns, we can allow U-turns up here, because in real life you can do that. No right turns. We do not want cars entering the intersection while waiting. That would cause traffic jam. And no lane switching in an intersection, since that's not legal in the United States. And you want to turn the crosswalk off because the game thinks that there's a node here. Well, there is a node here, but there should be a crosswalk here. But we have no intersection, no traffic light or anything, so you don't see one. And I want to turn this off too, because crosswalk is at the intersection, not the off-ramp junction. Unless I've forgotten anything else, I believe that's all the junction restrictions needed to prevent traffic jams. You can add them, change them, remove them as needed. And this is an example of a fairly busy intersection. You can see right turns are flowing, left turns are flowing. Vehicles should be yielding, but hey, what are you going to do? In fact, I can check that. See, there's extra things that I forgot to mention. Previous section. Oops. Yeah. There's always stuff you can improve on. The worst thing about this is that if you have a high flow of people, it can block turns. The people who left turn, those that do a left turn typically won't yield for pedestrians like in real life, but this game was made by Europeans. What can you do? I guess they don't yield to pedestrians in Europe. Or turn right on red. Or use center turn lanes. Median turn lanes. I highly suggest setting up manual traffic lights for this intersection. I'm no good at that, so I don't. This is the best I can do. It took 4 mods to make this intersection work. Enjoy.